What up? So long time no see. I will try to work on this car. I need to replace the engine. So yeah, let's go. And it's winter, by the way. Motherfucker. Hey. Goddamn right, man. Engine almost everything gutted out. So to remove this engine, you have to. I will say it like this: to remove this engine, it's fucking tons of work. If you don't have nothing to do, grab this part. Unbolt engine mounts. Unbolt all of transmission, and when you unbolted when I unbolted everything, so nothing, and engine wouldn't come out because there's no space. Let me show you right now. No space right here. It's stuck. No space, man. So starting to remove the tail light. I think that's how it's called. And you have to unscrew this one and pull out this right here like that, and here's in the bottom is a clip, and you just take it out easy like that. Also don't forget to remove this. So then remove this one upper bolt and two side bolts to remove all this panel. And same goes for other side, yeah. So just remove the front bumper, and I had a hard time to remove it because of these bolts right here. There are 3 bolts. I just tap them out. Later on I will zip tie them, so I won't have the future owner won't have this problem. So yeah, and yeah, just disconnect the fuses and ready to go. The next move is to removing the front subbar, which have 3 bolts, 1, 2 and 3. So after removing the bumper, you have 4 subbar bolts, as you can see right here, and same goes on the other side. Before the subframe goes out, you need to disconnect all radiator hose. And so first of all, this one, you have to unscrew this bolt and remove this one and that one.